Padayal, a restaurant in Coimbatore, serves a full South Indian meal that's completely raw food. The restaurant's tagline is "No oil, no boil." The restaurant, which is 2 years old, through its motto "Food is Medicine," has been changing the landscape of healthy eating in India. Today, the restaurant, through its founder, Dr. Padayal Sivakumar, boasts of crafting 2,200 recipes ranging from biryani and sandwiches to pongal and puttu, all of them raw. Dr. Sivakumar also trains people to cook with raw materials. Dr. Sivakumar also does outdoor catering and over the years has cooked for various events, some of them for 3,000 people. Dr. Sivakumar created a world record by cooking a whopping 300 dishes without using oil or fire in just 3 minutes 30 seconds under the supervision of the Geo India Foundation in association with the Chennai Airports Authority of India. The dishes were made from organic fruits and vegetables and served in eco-friendly products. Talking about the attempt, Dr. Sivakumar said, all the ingredients used in the dishes today are regular day-to-day ingredients that a Tamil Nadu household usually uses. This attempt is to show people that one can live a healthy life if they eat a balanced diet. One might wonder how idly is made without heat. We did it by using flattened rice that doesn't require to be cooked. Dr. Sivakumar created yet another world record with the Food Safety Department in Salem for flameless cooking of 500 dishes under 5 minutes by 250 homemakers. He holds the record for creating most number of flameless raw vegan dishes in 10 hours non-stop at a cookathon in Coimbatore. So, please put your hands together to welcome the pioneer of nutritional excellence, our skilled and innovative chef, Dr. R. Padayal Sivakumar.
A mixture of excitement and nervousness is my first speech in English. I kindly ask your understanding and patience as I navigate through this new experience. English is not my native language, and although I have been learned it sometime delivering speech in English, it's still challenge for me. I apologize in advance for any error and languages difficulties I may encounter along the way. However, I want to express my deep appreciation for your support and understanding as I take a deep. It's through your encouragement and willingness is listen that I gain confidence and improve my English skills and overcome any obstacles it may come on my way. Once again, thank you for your understanding and support. Your presence here today means a lot. Me grateful to opportunity to share my thoughts with you. I come first. I would like to share my background overview briefly. I come from a lower middle class family, faced so many obstacles, problems, struggles during my childhood. My father worked tireless to earn to live with us. I completed my 12th standard up to a corporation school, and I have no opportunity to go to college for higher studies, but I completed my BCom degree through the distance education. I started working and earning money at my age of 12. Initially, I sold lottery tickets at the age of 12, and later I ventured into a gold ornaments making with my brother. I also engaged in rice, curd, sari, grocery sales, wine, during my degree period. After completing my degree, I secured a job as an office assistant on a travel agency, earning the salary of my salary rupees 800 only on that time. After that, I started my own travel agency after 5 years. And then after 2 years, I joined a account assistant as a account assistant at steel company. So after 3 years, I volunteered to learn a Sadvik food hotel, the name of Nalan in Tirupur. Following my departure from the hotel, I worked as a counter staff at a deluxe 3-star hotel. Finally, I entered a natural food industry and established my own natural teaching method platform called Padayal Academy. Yes, in January 2021, I proudly opened the world's first restaurant specialized in raw food without oil, without boil. Yes, it's a unique restaurant establishment is known Padayal No Oil No Boil Restaurant in the located Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. Thank you for allowing me to share my journey with you. Okay guys, let us know why I am standing here and why you should listening to me. It's a major reason. I am thrilled to share my journey as a successful story with all of like MBA students, I think. Despite not having a financial or educational background, coming from a small middle class family, I have achieved a lot. But it's not just a personal growth for me. I am doing a great job for great cause, creating a healthy society and spreading awareness about the importance of healthy lifestyle and well-being. All my achievement, recognition, fame, name, popularity and the relationship with good souls all around the world, they are because of food. Yes, food can change everything. Food can do everything. A very common man like me, Sivakumar, has transformed a world famous Dr Padayal Siva, all because of food. Yes, food is our creator. Food is a God. Food is almighty. Food is like a divine force. Food is foundation of everything. So I chosen the food industry. No, the divine food can choose myself for the great journey. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude my parents, brothers, my great spiritual masters, Yogiraj Vedatri Maharishi, and the great Guruji, Sri Leslie Jai Guruji, and my teachers of natural food and natural lifestyle masters, Ayya Namalvar, Nen Jayaraman, the great Maranji, and Ramalingamaya. And also I want to thank all my well-wishers and my Padayal family, Padayal Mandala Tag family members, and also of course my magical English coach, Mr. Lakshman KR. Okay, most of us raise the question about the natural food. What is no oil, no boil? How is possible nowadays, and what is essential for me? Before answering the question, we should know importance of food. What is food? Food is completion. Yes, food is important not only human being, also every soul. From first sense to sixth sense. Food can change and transform in our body like rasa, rakta, mamsa, asti, majja and sukla. It's called sabdadadus. It's plasma, blood, muscles, fat, bone, and our reproductive system. So, quality of Sabdadadus is the quality of our body, mind, thought, and life force. Our health, wealth, prosperity, happy, pure, success, and our great create a healthy generation. That's why our spiritual masters called Aharam Adharam. Adharam means food, Adharam means basic foundation of our human being. Thank you for your attention and look forward to sharing about our no oil, no boil concept with you soon. Believe me please, our one entire day worth of food can be cooked without oil, without boil. Yes, we can make dairy-free coffee. Dairy-free coffee. Usually our breakfast like idly, pongal, upma, khichdi be cooked using no oil, no boil method in our restaurant. Also we prepared a grand lunch like wedding feast. Rice, sambar, rasam, kolambu, pachadi, vada, payasam, everything without no oil, no boil. Once again, can believe me? Yes, in our Padayal restaurant, we serve this kind of lunch daily in the afternoon. 100 plus girls will enjoy the food. Our girls, kids, elders enjoy our natural food, no oil, no boil lunch. We can also cook traditional rices like mokda, puttu, and you like noodles, cutlet, sandwiches, vada, bhaji bonda, everything possible. The method of no oil, no boil method. Dear students, in our life, future, the career, our characters is more important. You know, that's our personality. Even food change our personality as well. Food gives confidence. Food gives courage. Food gives passion. Food gives strength. Food gives acceptance. Food gives passion. Food gives positive thoughts. Yes, like if you need boldness, if you need braveness, you can take, Asgard. Like in Tamil, Pusanikai. Asgard. So if you take Asgard within a day, 3 to 5 times, within 21 days, you can feel your boldness and braveness. And if you want to overcome our negative thoughts, like negative thoughts, in raw banana, like a vadakai in Tamil, raw banana. So the raw banana it gives the positive thoughts and positive energy in our life, day-to-day life. Within 21 days, our negative thoughts are gone. And brinjal, katarika in Tamil, brinjal. So brinjal gives most tolerance and acceptance in our life. Snake god, like snake, our daisy vegetables. So it gives character of sacrifice. These characters is very important of every human being, especially to you, my dears. It's quality of every businessman and entrepreneur also. So it's a great revolution we create without medicine and medication society. Yes, we can create healthy lifestyle. Yes, food can change everything. Food can change everything. Yeah, I invite to join my Padayal family. A healthy way of cooking, a healthy way of eating, a healthy way of life. Once again, my heartful thanks, gratitude to all the management of institute, the program organizer, a lovely student. Vanakkam, Valga Valamudan. On behalf of the institute and the program organizers, I would like to extend my heartful gratitude to all of you being part of extraordinary event. Today, we have witnessed a remarkable journey towards a healthier society through the power of food. To my dear students, you have been attentive, Throughout this session, your enthusiasm and willingness to learn truly remember the character and the qualities discussed today are not only important of personal growth but also your future career and businessman and entrepreneur. Embrace these qualities, let them guide towards your success. Lastly, I would like to invite all of you join me on this Padayal journey, no oil, no boil journey towards a healthy way of cooking, eating and living together. We can create revolution of our society, one that empowers the power of food, the shaping of our life. Once again, thank you for your part of this incredible event. Your presence has made truly memorable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, World for this great opportunity.